ask you, how many people do you know right now who have coaches? They're saying by 2025, the coaching industry is going to be $1 billion a day. Hello, everybody. You will miss the bus, sweetheart, if you keep looking at competition, because right now the competition has not even started in life. If you truly want to get successful, you need someone to be able to see your blind spots. The road is empty for you to race your car, and by the time competition joins you 2 years from now, you will be so ahead of the game. How to get success in competitive coaching world, how can I go for the regional language, how to overcome fear of getting on social media. Neha, firstly, you know what, we think that the coaching world is extremely competitive. Honestly speaking, we haven't even touched the tip of the iceberg. The level we are in, I'm going to ask you, how many people do you know right now who have coaches? Versus how many people do you know who are exercising? Which means physical health in the last 10 years has reached the pinnacle. Everybody, either they're doing yoga, Pilates, gym, everybody has some routine or the other. You speak to most people, they will say, this is what I do. Whether it will be one of these or something else, Zumba, it could be anything, but something or the other. Everyone's understood 1 hour of physical exercise per day helps us 23 hours of awesome time, right? But if I ask you, how many people do you know who have mental health coaches? When I say mental health, for to cope with anything that they want to do in life. If you truly want to get successful, you need someone to be able to see your blind spots. And how many people do you know who have their own personal coach? Can I tell you? Literally, it will be no one or maybe one. That's the ratio. So imagine the scope of growth in coaching right now. I believe 5 years from now, we are going to be at a level where every single person is going to say, of course, I have a coach. Like, how did people operate without coaches earlier on? That's where it's going to reach. They're saying by 2025, the coaching industry is going to be $1 billion a day. Hello, everybody. $1 billion a day. So I'm just going to tell you this. You will miss the bus, sweetheart, if you keep looking at competition, because right now the competition has not even started. The road is empty for you to race your car, and by the time competition joins you 2 years from now, you will be so ahead of the game that you will be the role model to them. Okay? Now, can I go for regional language? Definitely you can. I always say this, that you know what? In India, every state is like a country. Every state's population is actually a population of a country in the world, correct or no? So for us, our regional language itself has so much scope that whether you do Tamilish, Hinglish, Kannadish, Gujaratish, do whatever you want, mix a little bit of English in it, make it like colloquial, that means the spoken language rather than very pure, which people don't understand so well these days. Make it colloquial, make it connecting, and you will do a rock star job of it, okay? How to overcome the fear of getting on to social media? You know what? Either you can spend the rest of your life focused on how am I looking, how am I presenting myself, how am I speaking, how is my voice sounding. If some of you go back to see last week's Insta Live, you'll see I had a swollen eye, so I wore my sunglasses and did the Insta Live. But did I miss it? No chance. Why? Because serving others is more important than how I show up. Now you go the week before that, you'll see I was on a holiday in Goa. Did I miss it? No. Why? Because serving others is so much more important than what I need to or will do. I will enjoy my holiday any which ways, but if 30 to 45 minutes with all of you changes something in your life and it makes it better, is that more important or my holiday more important? Is my eye more important or serving you guys more important? Everything in my body is important. I'm not going to deny that. Having said that, can I tell you something? I come from the no excuses policy. So when you want to get over the fear of social media, start asking yourself, are you more important? Are you more fearful of the judgment that you are going to receive? or are you willing to make this your mission? Can you imagine Mother Teresa thinking how to get over the fear of being seen, how to get over the fact that I will become so famous, so popular, I'll become the richest NGO, what will people think? Here it is, a religious woman trying to do good, but she's got so much money, she's got so much. She didn't care about all those things. What other people thought. There were people who think in this world Mother Teresa was the most cunning woman. She didn't care what other people thought. She knew she wanted to do the good work. She did the good work and nicely went to heaven. Okay? So today onwards, Neha, remember, the choice is yours. Focus is on you or focus is on your service. The day your focus becomes on the service, how you look, how you are, how you talk, what posts you put, what videos you're putting, what reels you're making will only have one purpose. Who can I help? Start focusing on who can I help.